Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook profile to a professional profile. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put your likes. Be sure to write your comments. So friends, let us get started with you. To begin with, of course, open the Facebook application. After that, at the top you will need to come to your profile. You can click on your image. Next, you'll need to click on the three dots next to the words Change Profile. You may have this feature at the top of your photos because the three dots are not always there. Next, you'll need to find the function on how to turn on professional mode. And that's all you will need to do. Because from here on out, all you'll need to do is go along with everything that Facebook will offer you. It might take a while, but in general, it won't take long. And at this point, your Facebook profile is changed to a professional one. To make sure of that, you'd better log out of Facebook, log in again. And as you can see, I get a message saying that I now have a professional profile or digital creator. By those exact words, you can tell that you've switched your profile to a more professional profile. Friends, this is the simple way you can change your Facebook profile to professional mode. I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and please write your comments. See you soon.